Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Sakoni Riviera Espresso machine. Now this machine was brought to us because it was not powering on, and that was because this power switch needed to be replaced. You can see all these burn wire connections all around here, looking really bad. We also had to replace a lot of the wiring in this machine as it was in really bad condition, including the power cable. This one you see right here. There was this inside the machine, all these burn power connections, these other wires, and all this stuff that you see right here. We also had to replace the pressure stat as it was overheating and it was not pressurizing correctly. So yeah, we did a lot of electrical work underneath this machine. And that's what we did with this espresso machine. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're going to be testing it out. Hopefully I pick up the right grind settings on this machine, otherwise we're going to see to coffee or coffee barely dripping. And it probably temporarily be hot. As you can see, we're having coffee barely dripping coming out through the portafilter. We're gonna help the shot a bit more by raising this up lever a bit more and making a bit more water in through the portafilter, so that way it channels through the grounds and we can have a nice shot of espresso just like that. Around 1 ounce of liquid we got in here. Nice shot of espresso. Steam coming out through the one, nice and steady. Good pressure coming out through the steamer. Excellent temperature. We have the door closed today, so we don't see that much steam, but nice pressure coming out through the one. So there you have it, Sakoni Rivera working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.